Hello everyone, what's up? And today I talk to you because we have, how to say, some kind of unwanted guest. You know what I mean? Unwanted guest. I mean, like, there is some people after my last video, they start and go insulting me. I expected it. I told that I will make people cry. I said it. It was previsible. I knew it, but still, it was so previsible. I even said it. And once again, there is that trees. That trees from people who look like pygmies or cygress, as I said. It's always the same. It's always the same, and this video will be small, but I just want to little bit, a little bit more. I want to trigger them a little bit more. And also, I wanted to say, because you see, it doesn't work like that, and people who may say this to me, most of them, either they are mentally ill, or they are just dumb, but there is one sure point anyways, is that they have no life. They have no life anyways. To type me this shit here, I'm typing to you, I have a notification. I have a notification and all the screens, I will put all the screens and everyone in this video. And yeah, I see the message, you should have been aborted and all of this. You see, they go on personal things because they have no other arguments to counter what I say. They say I not elaborate, I don't give argument why I don't like these LGBTQ movements and why I dislike all I said in my video and when I debate with them, they say that I don't elaborate much and all of this, but while these guys literally say personal things about life, people, about me, my life, my lifestyle, my ex-girlfriends and all of this. You see, these guys, they go on personal, and I see the notifications, they still spamming, it's like, I don't know, you see what I mean, it's infinite. It's infinite, and once again, people who are treating me of this, and people who say that I should get died, and people who want to fight me, блядь, people who want to fight me. Once again, you can see here, they look like pygmies. Yeah, exactly as a video, exactly as I said, huh? Exactly as I said.
Не, ну пацаны, подожди.
Ебать нахуй! Yeah. So yeah, they say they want to come in my city and all of this, eh? I wait you with my strong legs, huh? That's it. And I wait them until they come to my address so they can break my legs, huh? But you just think, as I said, just think they're dressing. I mean, I don't know, see the way they dress, blade. Me and my friend, we take them both with the mini skirts, and we'll make them find work. You will see, we'll make them find work, huh? They will get money all their life. They will be happy, huh? They will have 60 orgasms by the asshole, and they will be happy. I say they will be happy. They'll be happy.
Tu seras heureux.
They will be happy. I tell you. These people, they are pathetic. That's why if you run a page or something, just don't mind these yeboans, don't mind. They say, look, I can read the message. I hope you hang yourself and save from miserable life, bled. I live a better life than most of them, bled. Most of them in high university paid by their rich parents and all of this. And with this pink hair, they once say to me, why it's them who have cuts on their hands and who try to suicide every night. You see, there is something that doesn't match. You see, there is something that doesn't match. There is something that doesn't match somewhere, huh? I'm the one who have an enjoyable life, you see? And these guys, they are the ones who say I have miserable life, while these ones, they post pics of them and it's depressing aesthetics. I fucking gay ones, man. It's fun, guys. I'm telling you, it's fun. It's fun. It is fun. It is fun. And since I'm here, you see, I'm here on this YouTube channel and on my Instagram account. I'm here, I don't joke. I don't joke. These guys, they signal my publication. They try to make... They keep... They keep spamming messages right now, huh? But I have... But after you saw the screen, you see, I would like him to rape me in real life. You see, I would like him to fuck me in real life. But they already know, and already know what will happen, huh? Is that they will have to say hello to my little friends, huh?
Say hello to my little friend!
Up here, and then they will go to hide in their vegan restaurant, huh? And then it will not be time to say, excuse me, Master Raman, huh? Jebłans. Complete jebłans. That's all I can say, huh? And keep follow me on Instagram, by the way, because it's from there that all my accounts started, and most of you come from here. But for those who didn't know, my garage Instagram and my backup, of course, in case of I get zucked or deleted by these ones. So see you next time, and thanks for watching. Next video, you chose the subject. I will see. I was either about to make a part 2 about these ones, either to say to debunk the myth of people who say there is no food in Soviet Union, and to show that life was actually good, or either to how to say, to make cry another type of people. I mean the libertarians and these fucking American ones, you see, huh? Okay, so ну, блядь, давай, see you next time, huh? And have a good evening.